Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Alignmotion supports XML imports. Check the app version and backup current projects. Next, locate the XML file in Downloads, a zip export, or cloud storage and move it to local storage. Once done, install a file manager and lightweight XML viewer so you can inspect tags before importing. Make sure file names have XML extension. If inside a zip, extract the XML now. This prevents import errors and speeds the next steps. You open Alignmotion and use the Import or Project menu to select the XML file. Some versions show Import XML directly. During import, the app attempts to link referenced assets, pause, and add any missing images or audio manually. If paths differ, rename those assets to match XML references or edit the XML in your viewer to update paths. Once the app links assets, confirm timeline layers and effects. This ensures the project rebuilds as intended. You now review the rebuilt project, scrub the timeline, test animations, and verify fonts and layer ordering. If an effect or media is missing, reassign or import the asset, then save the project as an AM file to secure changes. If elements still fail, open the XML in your editor and search for broken paths or unsupported tags, correct paths, or remove unsupported nodes. If problems persist, re-export a fresh XML from the original project and repeat the import. This usually resolves stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.